Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you stocks to buy as a technical swing trade. Let's get into the charts without wasting any time. So for the first pick on INFO, we can clearly see INFO is moving in a channel and it currently tested the support resistance line, which is right around this area. As we can see, it touched and it bounced back, which is a pretty good support. MACD and stochastic RSI, they have a very good setup for a reversal. As you can see, MACD should bounce back like this, and the demarker indicator, which is pretty close to RSI, but I found it more accurate. It's pretty oversold again. It's looking for a bounce back. So my personal target on INFO is on the high of the channel, which is right around here, which is this area, and I'll cut losses on this previous support, which is right around here. So we're looking on INFO an entry around this area and for a bounce back right to the target range, and you can start taking profits on the way. If you've been in my chat room, you know that I always say risk management is more important than the actual trade. So I provided you a bot that you can set in the amount that you want to risk in, which is the amount you can afford to lose, your entry and the stop loss. The bot will answer you with the number of shares to get in. So let's take an example on INFO. My entry was right around $86 and my stop loss is at 79.5. I personally wanted to risk $500 on this trade. So I go to the risk bot channel, I type in risk 500, my entry which is 86 and my stop loss is at 79.5. You click enter. The bot will answer me to get in with 76 shares. So that's my maximum loss on this trade. For the second stock pick on FDX, we can clearly see FDX has a good support and a resistance area right around $306. MACD and stochastic RSI, when a stock it's between a channel, stochastic RSI is the best indicator that I use. So it's looking for a bounce back. MACD, based on previous momentum change, we can see this is the maximum it usually gets. So I personally see that MACD will start reversing at this area. The demarker indicator is again oversold. Just in case MACD and demarker they dip even more, we can have a good buy area right around this. And I look to cut losses right here at the previous resistance, which is around here. My personal target on FDX, I'm looking right after $282 area, and the high of my target range it's at 305, which is pretty hard again to reach all-time highs, especially with the market condition right now. So this is my target range. So again, on FDX, this is our buy zone. We're looking the target right around $282, $305 range, and we'll cut losses after it breaks to $40 area. For the third stock pick on COST, I alerted COST at right at that dip. Now it bounced back a bit. So by the time that I make this video, the stock price went up a lot. So we personally got in exactly at that dip at 259. Now it's currently up. As we can see, COST is between a good channel, and stochastic RSI and MACD and demarker they are all bullish. And again, as I explained previously, when a stock is between a channel, stochastic RSI it's the best performing indicator for reversals. So we got in right around here. I'm looking for target right around this area, and I will cut losses at this previous support, which is right here. Okay, so where you should get in, we got in at that dip. So if the stock does a pullback right at this channel, you can still get in at this point and ride the wave back to the target. So I'll start taking profits on the way. For the fourth stock pick, it's on Walmart, WMT. We can clearly see that Walmart, it's on an amazing uptrend. It's moving between these two channels. MACD is bullish, the market indicator is well, and stochastic RSI, it's looking for a reversal. So our entry on Walmart should be right at this area. I will cut losses on Walmart on $238 area and looking for a target at this range. So again, fourth pick on Walmart, we got in at this dip. My first entry was here and I averaged down right here, so my average is around a $143.5 area at this range. It's looking for a good bounce back right to the target range. Before I get into the last pick, I want to show you some of the recap of my trades. A recap on PGR. It had a great setup right around here. A great support, a good channel. So we got in here. The marker and all indicators were bullish. As you can see, it crushed our target range. And we did around 7% profit. Another trade on CRM. I saw on my scanners right around here. So we got in here and it was very close to target, but I took some profits on the way. And another example on another stock pick on DOMO. This was a huge winner for us. I alerted here, it did 18%. I alerted here and it did another 20%, which is amazing profits. All my alerts you can see in my Discord chat room. You can join and you can see all these alerts. If you're wondering why you should follow this trade, it's because I've been backtesting this strategy for a pretty good time on safe companies. I even backtested using the software, as you can see the results right here. Using the software, with all my filters set in, you can clearly see the strategy have a great win rate, which is 77%. And my average loser is $2 and my average winner is $10. So it's a 1-to-5 risk reward ratio, which is an amazing strategy. But the downside of this strategy is the percentage gain, it's not big. So I'm trading on safe companies with perfect entries to make consistent profits. That's the goal. If you're aiming to make huge profits in trading and while starting, it's very hard to succeed in it. You should aim for consistent profits. So this is why you should follow these trades. Thanks for watching and see you soon.